You're probably wondering why I'm standing here on the top of this wooden pole stack. Let me explain. My name is Krzysztof Wójcik. Welcome to Induo. What you can see around me is just the tip of an iceberg. In just 1 year, we export over 640,000 wooden poles all over the world. We deliver the best quality products for power grids and telecommunication. We provide the best solution for all requirements, even for countries that have difficult geological conditions. In these days, our team and partners inspect each pole separately, one by one. In just 1 week, we are able to check up to 15,000 poles. We take care of quality, length, diameter, thickness of wood to fulfill our customers' requirements. Do you know that during today's inspection, we are rolling about 300 tons of wood? Try to imagine that if we put all those poles together, connected in one line, it would be equivalent to more than 700 football fields. Our experience is coming from an international long-term partnership. Wood from the best Polish, Scandinavian and German forests. Thanks to our partners, we can effectively produce our poles. Feel free to contact us and meet our Induo family.